Welcome to BikeSphere, your ultimate destination for all things two wheels. Today, we're diving into a modern classic that's capturing the hearts of riders around the globe, the all-new 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 250. Let's break down what makes this motorcycle a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. Design and styling. The 2025 Bullet 250 stays true to Royal Enfield's legacy of timeless design. With its iconic teardrop fuel tank, hand-painted pinstripes, and retro-styled round headlamp, the Bullet 250 is a visual treat. Subtle modern touches, like LED lighting and a refreshed instrument cluster, ensure it feels contemporary while maintaining its vintage charm. Engine and performance. Underneath its classic exterior lies a brand new 250 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. Tuned for smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, this engine produces a respectable 22 horsepower and 20 Nm of torque. Mated to a 5-speed gearbox, the Bullet 250 is perfect for city commutes and weekend getaways. The thumping exhaust note. Pure Royal Enfield magic. Ride and comfort. Built on a re-engineered double cradle frame, the 2025 Bullet 250 offers exceptional stability and control. The front telescopic forks and rear twin-shock suspension are calibrated for a plush ride, while the low seat height makes it accessible to riders of all sizes. Whether cruising on highways or navigating urban traffic, comfort is guaranteed. Technology and features. For 2025, Royal Enfield has equipped the Bullet 250 with modern conveniences, including a semi-digital instrument console with Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and notifications. Dual-channel ABS comes standard, ensuring confidence-inspiring braking in all conditions. Price and competition. Priced competitively at around $3,500, the Bullet 250 delivers exceptional value for a retro classic motorcycle. It stands strong against rivals like the Honda NES CB350 and Jawa 42, offering a unique blend of heritage, affordability, and performance. Verdict. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 250 is a tribute to the brand's rich legacy while embracing the needs of modern riders. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast looking to own a piece of history, this bike delivers on all fronts. Outro. Thanks for tuning in to BikeSphere. Let us know your thoughts about the 2025 Bullet 250 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.